In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to build an AI voice agent with Retell. This voice AI agent is able to check availability within a calendar system, book appointments automatically 24/7, and then even go ahead and send confirmation emails to the customers as well. And if you don't already know me, my name is Efran. I have been helping businesses implement voice AI solutions just like this to save time, cut cost, and drive growth. So if you are a business owner and you are looking to implement any sort of voice AI solutions, feel free to book a call in the link description below. So now let's go right ahead and start building it. To build the AI voice agent, first of all, sign into retellai.com. After signing into retellai.com, we are going to click on create an agent button right up here. Now we are going to select voice agent. Our agent type is single prompt agent and we are going to start from blank. Now we are going to click on create. I'm going to call it Jim AI agent. For the LLM model, we are going to choose GPT 4.1, and for the voice, we are going to choose Brian from 11 Labs. Now here we have to add our system message. I'm gonna use this prompt as our system message. In the system message, first of all, we have to give it a role. You are a voice assistant for Powerflex Fitness, a gym located at 123 Park Street, New York. And then we have specified its tasks. And after that, I have described how to check availability in the calendar and how to book appointment. Then I have added an example of a real conversation to improve its accuracy. And at last, I have added some notes. Now we are gonna click on save. You will get this prompt from the link description below. And now on the welcome message, we are going to select AI speaks first. Now we are going to select a custom message. Its first message is thanks for calling Powerflex Fitness. This is Ben. How can I help you today? Now we are going to click right up here on functions. Now we are going to add a custom function. This function is to check availability in the calendar. So I'm going to call it check availability. Now we have to add its description. Its description is tool to check the calendar for gym tours. Now we are going to scroll down to parameters. Now we are going to click on form. Now we are going to add parameter. Its name is time and its description is the requested time of the customer. Now we are going to head over to anyten.io. If you don't have an account on Anyten, you can sign up from here. After signing into Anyten, we are going to click on create workflow. Now we are going to click on plus and search for webhook. HTTP method will be post. Now we are going to copy that test URL from here, go back to Retell and put it right into here. Now we are going to save this. Now we have to send some data into our Anyten workflow. So we are going to go back to Anyten and click on listen for test event. Now on the chat, I'm going to ask it, do you have availability tomorrow at 1 p.m? Now we have got some data into our Anyten workflow. We are going to pin this data. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus and select an AI agent. Source for the prompt will be defined below. Now we are going to add our prompt. Here I'm going to paste in my prompt. If you get error on this customer requested time variable, then you have to remove it. And from here you have to drag the time and put it right into here. Now we are going to click out of it. I'm going to name it check availability. Now we have to add a chat model from here. Click on plus and from here I'm going to choose OpenAI chat model, and for the model I'm going to choose GPT 4.1. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus of the tool. Now search for Google Calendar. Its resource will be calendar. Operation is availability, and from here you have to select the calendar. And our start time and end time will be populated by AI. Now we are going to click out of it. Now we are going to run this AI agent to see if it is working. Now you can see it is working perfectly. Now we are going to click out of it, and on the webhook we are going to select respond to webhook. Now click on plus and search for respond to webhook. Now we are going to click out of it. Now we are going to run it to see if it is working. As it is working perfectly, we are going to unpin this data and copy the production URL from here. And now after saving it, we are going to click on publish. And it is live now. Now we are going to go back to Retell, and on the check availability function, we are going to remove the test URL and paste in our production URL from Anyten. And now we are going to click on update. So now our check availability function is ready. Now we are going to create a book appointment function. Click on custom function. I'm going to call it book calendar. Its description is, this tool is to book appointments in the calendar for gym tours. Now we are going to scroll down to parameters and we are going to click on form. Now we are going to add our parameters. Our first parameter is to send the confirmed time of the customer. I'm going to call it time, and its description is the confirmed time of the customer. Now we are going to add another parameter. It is to send off the name of the customer. Its description is the name of the customer. After that, we are going to send off the email of the customer. Its description is the email of the customer. Now we are going to add the phone number of the customer. Now we are going to head over to Anyten. Now we are going to create a new workflow. Now click on plus and search for webhook. HTTP method is post. Now copy the test URL from here, go back to Retell and put it right into here on the API endpoint. Now we are going to click on save. Now we are going to send some data into our Anyten workflow. So we are going to click on listen for test event. Now on the Retell, we are going to open a new chat. On the chat, I'm going to say, can I book a gym tour tomorrow at 10 a.m.? Now it has checked availability in the calendar and it is saying tomorrow 10 a.m. is available. Now I have to give it my full name, phone number and email. Now you can see we have got this information into our Anyten workflow. Now we are going to pin this data. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus and search for AI agent. Source for the prompt will be defined below. Now we are going to add our prompt from here. I'm going to paste in the prompt I have already pre-built. You will get this full Anyten template from the link description below. Now we are going to click out of it. Now we have to add a chat model. I'm going to choose OpenAI chat model. And for the model, I'm going to choose GPT 4.1. I'm going to call this workflow book appointment. Now we are going to click on plus of the tool. Now we are going to search for Google Calendar. From here, we have to select our calendar and our start time and end time will be populated by AI. Now we are going to click on add field. From here, we are going to select description. On the description, I'm going to add the name of the customer. Now I'm going to drag the name from here and put it right into here. Now I'm going to add the email. Now I'm going to add the phone number. And at last I'm going to add the confirmed time. Now we are going to click out of it. Now I'm going to add the summary. Click on summary from here. Its summary is new appointment for. Now drag the name from here and put it right into here. And then we are going to add the time. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus of the tool and search for Gmail. I'm going to call it Gmail. On the Gmail tool, here we have to add the email of the receiver. So I'm going to drag the email variable from here and put it right into here. Now we have to add its subject. Its subject is appointment booking confirmation for. Drag the name variable from here and put it right into here. Now we are going to add the date. Email type is text. Now we have to write the email body from here. This is a confirmation email to let you know that your appointment for a gym tour is booked for this time. And it is going to be our full email body. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on add option. Click on append Anyten attribution. Now turn this off. Now we are going to click out of it. Now we are going to test this AI agent to see if it is working. You can see the Google Calendar is working perfectly, and I should also get a confirmation email into my Gmail inbox. You can see I have got the confirmation email. So now we are gonna go back to N8N, and now we are gonna click on plus and search for respond to webhook. And in the webhook we are gonna unpin this data, and the response should be respond to webhook node. Now we are gonna copy the production URL from here, and then we are gonna save this workflow and publish it. Now we are gonna go back to Retell, and on the book calendar function we are gonna remove the test URL on the API endpoint and paste in our production URL. Now we are gonna click on update. Now our AI voice agent is ready, and now we are gonna test this AI agent to see if it is working perfectly.
Thanks for calling PowerFlex Fitness. This is Ben. How can I help you today?
I am interested in learning about your gym membership.
Great. Our gym memberships give you access to classes like CrossFit and high intensity training, plus all our equipment. You can also add personal training for an extra fee. The best way to get a feel for everything is to come by for a tour. Would you like me to set one up for you?
Yes, sure, I'm interested in the gym tour.
Awesome. What day and time works best for you to come in for the tour? We're open for tours every day from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.
I think tomorrow at 7 p.m. would be great.
Perfect. We have an opening tomorrow at 7 p.m. Can I grab your full name, phone number, and email to lock in your tour?
My name is Efran. My phone number is 12498765594. My email is efran7681@gmail.com.
Thanks, Efren. Just to make sure I've got everything right, your phone number is 129-876-594, and your email is efren7681@gmail.com. Does that all look correct?
Yeah.
All set, Efren. Your gym tour is booked for tomorrow at 7 p.m. We'll see you then at PowerFlex Fitness. Can't wait to show you around.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Efren. If you have any questions before your tour, just give us a call. Have a great day.
Now you can see I have successfully booked the gym tour into my calendar, and I should also get a confirmation email into my Gmail. Yeah, that's it. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how you can build your own AI voice agent that works seamlessly with your data. If you are looking to implement a voice AI agent like this inside your business, feel free to book a call using the link description below. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.